Good morning, everyone. Dr. Vicky here, speaking to you from the Seeds of Transformation Healing Center. Today is February 3rd, 2025. The moon is in Aries, moving into Taurus late tonight, but for the most part in Aries all day. Of course, Aries is that courageous, initiatory energy. A lot of Aries courage comes from the fact that they haven't had a lot of experience in something. Aries is always the first one in. And so there's a lot of learning as you go kind of energy with Aries. And eventually we're going to see Neptune and Saturn come together at the first degree of Aries. That's happening next year in February. And learning as we go. Until then, though, we have some things that we have to figure out, some things that we have to evaluate, let go of, and the like. Bunny tracks! So this is a beautiful morning here, not too cold. It's just under freezing, but just so lovely. And what a beautiful gift to come out and see this nature in her glory. So today we have a couple of things. We have a trine between Mercury and Jupiter. Jupiter in Aquarius. Nope. Jupiter in Gemini. Mercury in Aquarius. Yes. Must be, right? It's in Gemini. This, I believe, is the third of three of these trines, because of Mercury's retrograde motion. But this is an opportunity, a flow of ideas. The difference, I'm sorry, Jupiter is the big picture, big ideas, not a lot of detail. And Mercury is the small picture and lots of details. But there is a trine, so there is a way to feel the flow between those two sort of opposites and actually learn something from the interchange. We also today have Mars make a square to Chiron. Mars is in Cancer, Chiron in Aries. Aries is a Mars ruled sign. So this is a emotional, intense aspect, questioning what to do, questioning authority in some cases. It's almost a tale of 2 days here, all in one day, where we have a part of the day where, the energy of density part of the day. It's all happening at once, right? So there's parts of probably parts of our day where things are flowing, ideas are flowing, and then there are other parts where we can feel attacked, or people can feel attacked and respond to that from a wounded place. So it's a little bit of everything today, I think. And then later tonight, the moon moves into Taurus, which may settle down the feelings and the emotions. So I expect today to be, in its way, a highly emotional day. Oh, look, we have some big footprints here that look like a dog. So it's probably a coyote. Pretty big. I don't have a dog here, so probably a coyote. We'll just follow them and see. Or maybe it's a fox, but they look kind of big. Tomorrow we have Venus move into Aries. Venus will be retrograde, go retrograde March 1st. Venus, when she's retrograde, usually retrograde for about 40 days. And so she is actually in the shadow of that, because she starts her retrograde in Aries, but then retrogrades back into Pisces. So what's being covered right now will be recovered or will be gone over again. Not quite recovered, but wow, isn't this lovely? What a beautiful day. I mean, it's crazy out there, guys. And it's moments like this, in places like this, that you can find the peace. If this is all getting too overwhelming for you, hang out outside or somewhere where you can feel a certain amount of calmness. Enjoy. Much love, everyone. Have a good day. Be careful out there. Namaste.